My name is Romain Jugy and I'm in charge of Dufournier Calibration department. First, what is a calibration and what is it for? So, calibration is a comparison between a measurement tool and a measurement standard. The measurement standard is a reference measurement tool which has a better measurement certainty and which is traceable to national or international standards. So, testing machine calibration is essential to ensure the quality and the validity of the measurements. In many cases, testing laboratories need to calibrate their measuring tool to meet the requirements of ISO 17025 standard. Our calibration department can calibrate the measurement channels of the machines developed by Dufournier Industries, like the skid trailer, the automated indoor tire test track, or the rolling resistance machine. These calibrations are typically performed directly on the machine with calibration benches designed by Dufournier Industries. We meet all the requirements of the ISO 17025 standard in terms of method, skills, certainty and traceability to national or international standards. As an example, we perform the calibration of Dufournier Testing rolling resistance machine, so this machine, and this machine is under ISO 17025 accreditation. On demand, we can also calibrate similar machines developed by other manufacturers. To illustrate our calibration services, I will present you the calibration of the hub sensor for a braking skid trailer like this one. Hub sensor calibration is very tricky, and thanks to an experience of more than 10 years in this field, we can propose you an high added value service for this calibration. It is performed in a specific calibration room at a temperature around 20 degrees. The skid trailer is set on 2 ramps and on a dummy ball hitch. A steel dummy wheel is installed in place of the test wheel. A calibration frame is installed inside the trailer and is attached to the trailer frame. Traction and compression lines are installed between the dummy wheel and the calibration frame. There is one line for the vertical force and one line for the braking force. A single axis force sensor is mounted on each line. These sensors are standards which are traceable to national or international standards. The 2 lines are geometrically aligned thanks to laser sensors and an inclinometer, so that the forces are applied in the x-axis and z-axis of the hub sensor. A hydraulic cylinder allows the reference forces to be applied on the line. The vertical force and the braking force measured by the hub sensor and the forces measured by the standard sensors are recorded synchronously. Then they are exported to establish the crosstalk correction matrix and the calibration certificate. According to our experience, such calibration is mandatory to have consistent measurement with hub sensors for ground tire force measurements.